How to use the zigzag trading strategy. Today we'll show you how to use the zigzag strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on using the zigzag indicator. Zigzag is particularly useful for identifying short-term price movements in quick trading situations. This is one of the earliest indicators. It was used at the stock market. Its creator is not known. How to set up the zigzag indicator for quick trades. Set the deviation to 2 to track minor but important movements. Set the depth parameter to 1 to make the indicator react faster to price changes. The backstep parameter should be equal to 1, which minimizes the redrawing of the indicator lines. Open an up trade when a new low point is formed and the line starts to move up. Open a down trade when a new upper point is formed and the line starts to move down. Use the zigzag indicator together with volume indicators or oscillators such as RSI or MACD to confirm signals and increase the accuracy of your trades. Happy trading on pocket option.